Hey guys, my name is Shruti and I'm the co-founder of The Organic Mantra.
Hi, I'm Rekha. In this video, we will be talking about two very important aspects of any business. One is operations and the other one is marketing. So Shruti will be telling you about these amazing soaps that she's making, and I will be walking you through the website that we just launched. So let's get started.
So guys, today we'll talk about how do we make these handmade soaps. So the process of making handmade soaps begins with choosing a soap base. But also it is very important to understand that we use natural and eco-friendly soap bases. Not all soap bases are natural or eco-friendly. It is very important for us to understand that we use SLS, SLES and paraben-free soap bases. So some of the sustainable and eco-friendly soap bases that we use are goat milk soap base, aloe vera soap base, shea butter soap base, glycerine soap base are a few of the soap bases that we use. So once we have decided on the soap base, we need to then decide on the ingredients that we would like to add to our soap to ensure that it works well and it looks great. So we can have natural exfoliants like oats, coffee, salts. We can add essential oils for their scents and other beneficiary properties. We can add natural herbs and botanicals for their healthy properties that they have. We can also consider making 2-in-1 soaps like a loofah soap. We can place a loofah or a natural sponge inside the soap that works as an exfoliant and as a cleanser, and of course as a soap as well.
So how did we design the website? So I've done the website myself and I'm not a developer, so it was really difficult for me to design this website. I've done a couple of websites in past, but this one was more difficult because A, it is an e-commerce store, and B, there are so many different elements involved. Like we have FAQ page, we have CSR page, then we also have this element of customization, which is build your bar feature. So it wasn't very easy. There were two main things that I had in mind when I started planning this website. One was I wanted to keep it super simple for the user to navigate through the website. It's really important that when any user is arriving to the website, regardless of what he wants to do, like maybe he wants to buy a product, maybe he wants to know more about the brand. So it should be really easy for the user to navigate through the website. So for example, if you come to our website and you want to purchase a product from us and you land on the homepage, so the navigation is such that it's very easy for you to move to the store page, then add items in your cart, then make the final payment. There are not many touch points involved during all of this, so it's a very smooth process. And the second thing which was really important for us was to involve one element of surprise. So personally, I love those kind of websites where it's a dynamic setup. So you go to the website and you have something to play around with. So that's when the build your bar feature came into the picture. It's a really unique feature. So if you go to the build your bar page, you will see that the setup is very interactive. Like on the first page, you select the main ingredient, you can read the description. Then you move to the next page where you select the fragrance. Then you move to the next page where you see the description of different shades and select one. And at the end, when you move all of this into the cart, and then you finally get to see, okay, I've selected honey as my key ingredient, I've selected jasmine essential oil as my fragrance, and I've selected rose as the shape. So how would this product look at the end? So that's really the fun process, it's really, that's really the fun element.
Okay guys, so the next thing that we would like to address is that why are handmade soaps better? So guys, handmade soaps are enriched with glycerine. Glycerine, it is a natural byproduct of soap making, an excellent moisturizer, and it is one of the many reasons that why handmade soaps are good for your skin. So when we talk about commercial soaps, generally glycerine is extracted from the soaps, which is used in other products like moisturizers and other skincare lotions. Whereas when we talk about handmade soaps, there is no extraction of glycerine. It is completely filled with the glycerine and extremely moisturizing, and hence it replaces moisturizer as well.
There are two things that I really like about the website. One is build your bar feature, because it's really unique, it's really user friendly, and at the end it really reflects what we want to do. Like of course we have a certain range of products, but we want the user to have full control over the product they are using. At the end we are creating all of these products for the user, so if they don't find anything of their preference in our store, then it's completely alright, because they can go to this page and create their own unique soap. So everybody has different taste, and we completely respect that, and that's why we added this one feature. Yeah, second thing that I really like about the website is all these information centric pages that we have done. So you will see a lot of pages like FAQ, then there is ingredients glossary, then we also have blog. So basically we did not want to be a company that's focused only on selling. We also wanted to raise awareness about certain subjects. We also wanted to keep user informed about certain subjects. So that's why we have set up all these pages, which are basically giving out some kind of knowledge to the user.
So when we talk about honey adds a lovely warm yellow color to your soap, and it has got great antibacterial properties too. So aloe vera is a well-known healing plant. It helps soothe your skin and helps with certain skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Now lavender is relaxing, and it is a powerful antiseptic which can kill a lot of bacteria too.
So guys, that was it. We will be doing more videos very soon. We will love to take your questions. If you have any, just feel free to drop them in the comment section. So now we will be putting everything in our YouTube channel also. So once we launch that channel, we will be putting the link here, and then you can go and follow us over there also. See you soon. Thank you so much guys for all the love. We just launched, and it's so amazing to see so many orders and so many queries, and especially so much good feedback about the website, about the products. It really makes our day, and we can't show our gratitude enough. I mean, we are so grateful to all of you. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye.